Welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to clean your history on Spotify. And the first thing you need to know is Spotify don't have an option for literally, delete the history of your listenings, but we get an option here in the same application where you can do that in that cases when you can delete or hide your history. So you need to go to Spotify, and here in Spotify you need to go to the superior right corner in option in the bottom of your profile. So here you need to pick in settings and privacy. So here you need to go down to the option of privacy and social. So here in privacy and social, you need to pick here in private session, where it said temporarily hide your listening activity from your followers. Private session will automatically end after 6 hours. So after 6 hours, that option is deactivated, and you can activate that option. Like you need to that 6 hours pass to activate that option again. So this is the option. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.